Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to construct a 3D model of copper helical coil in Autodesk Inventor software. So let's get started with today's tutorial. Go to New, take a standard part in millimeter and go to Create. Now from here, select a 2D sketch and select the top plane, the XZ plane, rotate the view and here make a circle of dia 150. Okay, now escape and select this circle and make it a construction geometry. Now finish the sketch. Now we'll make a coil profile. So from here go to 3D sketch and select the helical curve. The helical curve will start from this point and the plane will be this. Okay. Now here give the dia. Dia will be of 150, pitch will be of 20 and the revolution will be of 8 and apply. Okay. Now to make it constrained, make this line constrained to y-axis. This is the y-axis which is going upward. Okay. Go to coincident constraint. Select this point and select this point. Now this is constrained at this position. Escape. Now go to top view and this is in y-axis. So make a line from this center point. Okay. Escape and go to coincident, select this and select this. Okay. Now escape. Now this profile is fully constrained. Select this line and make it construction geometry. Now we will make the inner profiles. So escape or finish sketch. Now from here go to 2D sketch and again select the XZ plane, rotate the view and make a circle of dia 150 again. Okay, rotate, escape. To make it more clear, select this, right click. Okay, you have to first finish the sketch. Make it more clear, right click and switch off the visibility. Okay, now go to 2D sketch, go to line command and make a line from here to center line and till next endpoint. Escape. Now select both the line and go to construction geometry. These are construction geometry. Now go to trim command and trim this profile. Only this profile we need. Now finish sketch. Go to home. Now I'll show you what we have done. So go back to this. As you can see, the coil is coming till here and it is joining with this line at the top plane. Okay, rotate this view. From here this is joining. Okay, now select this, right click and switch on the visibility. Now these are looking as a common profile. Now go to 2D sketch once again. Okay, we don't need to do anything. Now go from here, select the 3D sketch and go to line command. In this plane we will work. First select this center point, front plane, and from here give the dimension 50 and take the line upwards and give the direction 210. Okay, and escape. So I'll show you where we have done this. This is this profile which we have made. From top view you can see this is the profile. Okay, rotate. Now as we have made this profile, now we want to, so this is we don't need, so select this, right click and go to make it construction. Okay. Now go to line command and from here make a line on this plane with dimension 20. Okay, and join from here and escape. As you can see, all the things are getting constrained side by side. Now go to bend command and take a bend of 20. Select this line, select this, really select this line, select this. Okay, and finish sketch. Now we want to make this profile over here, so this will be the profile which we want to make. So go to 3D sketch once again, go to line command and from here select this plane, make a line of dimension 45 and select this plane this time, and from here make a line of dimension 50 and escape. Now go to bend and this time also give a bend of 20. Select this line and select here. Okay, finish this and finish sketch. Now all the sketches are complete. Now we want to make a spline over here. To make that, go to plane, select this point and select this line. Now from here go to 2D sketch and select this plane. Go to circle command and select the center point and make a circle of dia 10. You can see this is moving. So from here go to project geometry, select this point and escape. Now place this circle over here. Now this is fully defined. The sketch should always be fully constrained. Now finish sketch and from here go to sweep command. The profile is selected. We'll select the path, this path, okay, this path, and this we will have to select on next time and okay. So half coil is complete. Now we have to do same with this profile also. So go to plane, select this point and select this line, select this sketch plane and go to 2D sketch and go to circle command. First project geometry, select this point. Now make this circle, go to circle command. From this point make a circle of 10. Okay, finish sketch. Now same sweep command and select this profile. Now this will join here and okay. Okay, this is the model. Now we want to hide this all profiles. So select this and hide here. Okay, select this working plane and hide. Similarly, this working plane, turn off the visibility here. You can change the view, go to view, from here make it shaded, and from here you can give any color. You can give copper polished. Okay, in this I have given metal 600F, so you can also give metal 600F from here, metal 600F, so it is looking much like copper. So this was a basic tutorial to how to make a copper coil, a copper helical coil in Autodesk Inventor. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.